Welcome back to another Joyride video. This video, we're modding Alice is getting a makeover because she has SN95 headlights. If you guys aren't Mustang guys and you're just here for the RV vlog, basically she's got what I think this is what 93 to 96, 98, something like that. These headlights were on an older body style Mustang. So what I did, because look at these things. They're pretty bad. Cataracts on these things are pretty real. We're gonna see if we can upgrade these headlights. So we're gonna go with, I actually ordered a set of headlights from American Muscle, and we got a set of aftermarket headlights with the black housing, something that's gonna look a lot better. But we're gonna definitely put those in Alice, and we're gonna pretty her up. If you didn't catch the video where we put the camera system on here, that was a pretty sweet system. You guys got to check that out. So we've got a full camera system all the way around this thing. We're doing Alice right. We're doing her right because we got a few road trips that we're going to go on, and we definitely need better headlights. Because these headlights right here, you can't see anything out of these things. It's bad. It's pretty bad. Hopefully that does the trick, because usually when I'm on back roads, I use my searchlight a lot. I kind of feel bad because if somebody pops up around the corner and I don't get it off in time, it's bright. And hopefully with these lights, I won't have to do that anymore. If I do, next step is just upgrade to an LED bulb or something brighter. I'm pretty sure the headlights that I got, I think they came with bulbs. I'm not sure what they are, but we'll get them open and show you what we got. Here it is. Guys, I ordered these a while ago. Look at the dust on this box. Yeah, I ordered these a while ago and they've been sitting in the garage. I slack on my stuff sometimes. These are from American Muscle. I had no clue what these are. They were cheap. Alright, so we got brackets. There's a headlight and there's the other one. There's quite a bit of wiring in there. And I believe a lot of these wires right here are for, because they have halos. Let's see how these things look. There. That's what they look like. Oh, wow. Oh, Alice, look at that. Oh, she's gonna be right. Look at that. Those things are sweet. I dig it. We're gonna put them in. All right, next step, get these out. I don't know, I need your help. So if my RV originally came factory with Mustang headlights, am I allowed to put Mustang badges on it? Could we put Mustang badges on Alice? That's a question. I mean, she did come factory with Mustang headlights. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. Oh yeah, she's gonna look good. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a big improvement. Almost got her off. As I pulled it apart, that's, wow. Wow. It's like they screwed these clips in here, which these should have been on the other side with maybe a washer or something. But look at that. They literally screwed them in there like that. Not sure if that's how it was done at the factory, but I hope not. Well, we had to get a tent put up so we could do this. But I got the other headlights. Look how bad that was. And it's pretty nasty in there, but we're gonna go ahead, clean this up, and hello. Oh look.
So at least you're wearing your safety glasses.
Yeah. It's fiberglass. You don't want that in your eye.
Mama, watch. Watch out. It looks like it's the outside corner, isn't it?
What? No, this isn't going in all the way.
It looks like it's sitting down.
No. Because if I go this way, this side fits.
They're broken.
Now it's hitting right here. I gotta figure out.
Where is it hitting?
Right here on these little sensors. So I'm gonna try to take them off. And like relocate them. See if that does the trick. I think they're in.
You're gonna have to wash the camper to match your lights.
I think they're in. It's like, cause this is all like custom. It's not like direct bolts in, so everything you gotta kind of like. Headlights are installed. I'm actually filming this video in a parking lot. Right now we're in vacation mode. Dude, I've been slacking on these videos for vacation. Mustang headlights are installed. I'll show you guys the halos. Right there, look at that. Now I'm gonna show you guys the headlights. That's pretty sweet. Go back to just the halos, parking lights. There you go. Had Sean in there working the headlights. Dude, that looks sweet. What do you think? Not as riced out as that Mustang that we saw, but it looks good, man. Dude, Alice is coming along.
Somebody, it looks like a Civic, but it's an RV.
Those are Mustang headlights, though. He said a Civic. Oh, man. Don't insult Alice like that. You can't say that about Alice. What we're going to do, I mean, the headlights are okay. They're bright enough, but we need more bright. We've got AUXBEAM right here. So we're gonna probably install these LED bulbs. If you guys, we put a set of these in the GT500. We also put a set of these in the Cobra as well. Alice, we're not leaving you out. You're getting a set. They're pretty sweet, and they've got the built-in fan on the back of them. They're gonna make her more brighter. So we're gonna put these in, but we're on vacation right now. What do you think about the new headlights, bud? Too bright? Then they're not even on. It's just the halos and then the little, oh, excuse me. It's just the halos and the little LED right there.
It's hurting my eyes.
Well, don't stare right into them. They give Alice a whole new look. It looks sweet. They're so much brighter. I feel like with just the halos on, they're as bright as the other headlights. And they look so much better. You want to tell them what these headlights came out of, or what these headlights are for?
Mustang.
And it's crazy to think that they're Mustang headlights, right, bud? So these are the one-piece Mustang headlights from American Muscle. This rubber piece right here, it would not stay on there. So I actually had to Gorilla Glue that on there. So, I mean, whatever they used on there was garbage. And with the RV, I had to do a little bit of a modification to get the headlights to actually fit properly in there. They don't fit completely perfect. They do stick out a little bit, but the factory ones didn't even fit perfect either. Well, I decided we're not going to install these because in order to install these, we have to completely rip the entire headlights back out of the RV, and that's not going to be ideal for where we're at right now in the Walmart parking lot while we're on vacation. So we're going to do this later. This is all about having fun, right? Not working on headlight. So we are going to go ahead. We're not gonna install the AUXBEAM bulbs right now because we're in a Walmart parking lot getting ready. Hold on, we're not ready. Liam's just trying to wrap this thing up. What are you drinking, some ginger ale? Okay, but we're in a Walmart parking lot, and to install those bulbs, you pretty much have to take the entire headlight assembly out, and I really don't want to do it in the Walmart parking lot. And I figured it is starting to get dark, so we'll do it when it's daylight. We're gonna do it later, so we will have the AUXBEAM LED bulbs installed, and they're quite a bit brighter. If you watch the video where I put them in the GT500, you'll actually see where I compared the factory halogen bulbs to the AUXBEAM bulbs, and they're quite a bit different. You wanna tell them where we're actually heading right now?
Ocean City.
Cruise Week. We're heading to Ocean City.
Cruise Week.
Yes! Little man's excited. Have you been to Cruise Week before? We came to Cruise Week last year. It's so much fun. If you guys have not done Cruise Week, it's a must. We hope to see a bunch of you guys down here up at Cruise Week because I usually run into quite a few subscribers. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. They gotta hit the notification bell, don't they, bud? So they know when we drop these Cruise Week videos because they're super exciting. Hopefully next, spring I think is the next Cruise Week. Hopefully we get the C10 ready for that. I wanted to have the C10 ready for the last spring Cruise Week meet, but we didn't. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this upload. I know this is a short one. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace.